Today our topic is about the wave management. Okay, so I'll just start sharing my screen. And this is also some advanced topic only. Okay, in the basic EWM functionalities, it will not be available. And see, whenever some big companies are there, or else if whenever it is needed, then only they're going to take the see our whatever the company I am working right now, it is having very big company actually. But the thing is that they are not considering the wave management. They are just going with the basic EWM functionalities. Like that, so many companies will be there. They're going to do the same thing. Okay, they will just go with the basic EWM functionalities only. Okay, wave is comes under the advanced topic. Okay, so anyway, we'll going to discuss this wave management. Okay, but whenever it is required, definitely it's going to help you. So, what is wave? Okay, I have taken the wave concept somewhere else. Have you remembered this?
Yes, Sri. When you are creating the pins, that time you told about this wave.
Bins.
Waves,
I might not have taken it while creating the bins, but when I taken the topic of outbound delivery.
Okay.
Okay. So here I have taken the wave concept. Why two documents are available here? Outbound delivery order is there and outbound delivery will going to come. Okay, here I have written wave.
Yes.
Correct, no? While taking the concept of outbound delivery, I have spoken about the wave. Okay. Anyway, we're going to discuss it again. See, what do you mean by wave? First thing, okay. So you might be having a different orders. Okay. Some customer one is there. Customer one is there. He is ordering A, B, C material. Okay. Okay. Customer one ordered A, B, C material, and customer two is there. He is ordering B, C, and D. Okay, these are the materials. Okay, I'm just telling A as a material, B as a material, and C as a material. Okay, like that. Customer 2 is ordering B, C, D. Customer 3 is ordering A, B, and D. Okay, like that. They are ordering the different materials. Okay, they are ordering the different materials. So here some materials are common. See here, if C1 and customer 1, customer 2, customer 3 all are having A as a common material. Correct? A as a common material.
B as a common.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, B as a common material. Yeah, all the customers are having B as a common material. And customer 1 and customer 2 are having B and C as a common material. Customer 3 is having and customer 2 is having C, what is that, B and D as a common materials. So whenever you got these orders, okay, where you have to bring these orders, you have to bring the orders to the GI area, GI zone. Okay, we'll just consider some GI zone is available here. Okay, so you have to bring this all the orders to the GI zone. Now let us consider one person is going. Okay, one resource is going and he is fulfilling customer one order. Okay, he's only fulfilling customer one order. What he's going to do, he's going to move to some bins. Okay, here some bins are there. Okay, some storage types are there, some different bins are there. Okay, he'll go to that bin and he'll going to bring a product from this particular part, and somewhere else B is sorry. Okay, somewhere else B is kept here. He'll going to pick the B, and somewhere else C is kept here. He'll going to pick the C. Okay, like that he'll going to fulfill the customer one order. And second resource is there. Okay, resource one fulfilling the customer one order. Okay, second resource is there. He is also going to the what is that storage types. Okay, what he has to get B, C, and D customer 2 ke liye. Okay, so what he'll going to do, He will go to the storage types and the storage bins. He is also looking for the B product. It is available here. Okay, let's just write A, B, C, D. Okay, so he is also having the product here. C, he is getting it from this particular bin, and D he is getting from this particular bin, and it's coming back. Like that, if they are doing, he is going to fulfill the customer to order. Correct, no? If this is the way how you will going to work, then it will going to be a very time consuming. First thing. Second thing, it will going to cost you a lot because there is no efficiency at all. Instead of this, what I will going to do, okay, these orders, let us consider customer 1 and customer 2, customer 3 are ordering in some very small intervals. Okay, let us consider they are ordering all the orders coming to my company at around 8:30 a.m. Okay, and I have set my wave at 9 a.m. Okay, until means I will going to give the wave time like 8 to 9, whatever the orders will be generated, no, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. whatever the orders are generated, how I will going to give. Okay, so let us consider the customer 1 is ordered at around 8:10 a.m. Okay, and customer 2 had ordered the item at 8:25 a.m. Okay, and customer 3 is ordered the materials at 8:55 a.m. Okay, so what will going to happen? All these orders will going to combine into a wave. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, these are the different orders. They'll going to get combined. Okay, and now the segregation of the material will be there. What we're going to say for this, whenever we're going to manage the wave, it will going to help us to split or merge. Okay, split or merge the warehouse order requests for the outbound deliveries based on the activity area or based upon the route or based upon the product, and it will going to help the warehouse to manage the outbound delivery very easily. Okay, how it will going to happen? See what I have said. Whatever the wave management will going to do, that will going to help us to split or merge the warehouse request. Okay, these are the different warehouse requests which are generated. These are the orders, means they have generated as a request, correct? Or else you can consider them as a outbound delivery order items. Okay, these are the outbound delivery order items, correct? No? Okay, these will going to split or merge in a some form, so that based upon the activity area, route and the product, so that it will be very easy for you people to bring these materials from the warehouse and keep it in the GI zone. Any doubts here? I'll tell you. Okay, this part I'm going to tell you. Whatever the sentence I have framed, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay, these are the different outbound delivery order items. What you are doing, you are splitting them. This is the one order. Within this order, these are the items. Within this order, these are the items. Within this order, these are the items. Okay, these are the outbound delivery order items. You are splitting and merging them into one particular form, so that how we will going to make this form. Okay, it is based upon the activity area, route or the product. Okay, you will going to combine these outbound delivery order items and will be assigning it to a particular resource, so that it will be easier for the resources to bring these products very efficiently. Okay, so what I said, so these particular orders are coming to some different time frame, but I have set my wave like 8 to 9, whatever the orders are coming, I'll going to means that time I'll going to release the wave. That time I'll going to, this is the batch jobs. Okay, what we'll going to set, that time I'll going to release the wave, means whatever the item it will going to means orders, it will going to come in between these two times. No, it will going to combine these orders, and it will going to consider all the order items. Okay, whatever they have taken the order items, no, it will consider all the order items, and it will going to create the wave. Okay, creation of the wave is nothing but that will going to split these particular order items, and it will going to merge into particular waves, and it will going to assign to a particular resource. Okay, what is the usefulness of this particular wave management? Okay, see, I am
Time
getting
management.
huh?
Time managing quickly, they are getting the
Yeah,
orders.
efficient work they can able to achieve, correct? No, because see here, what it will going to happen, we got three different orders. What it will going to do is, based upon the activity area, let us consider this A is this is one activity area for us, this is the second activity area, this third and fourth. Okay, based upon the activity area, based upon the route, let us consider this A is here, and B is somewhere else here, B is somewhere else here. Okay, and C and D are in the same path. Okay, same path, that is the route. Okay, means once you're going to pick the B is somewhere else. Okay, this one it will be assigned to some different resource. Okay, here in this case, if it is based upon the route, A, C, and D will be assigned to one particular resource, and B will be assigned to different resource. So that one resource will go to the A, C, and D, and he'll going to bring all these products. Okay, how many materials he has ordered? He'll going to bring, means take the A from here, and C. Okay, C from here, and D from here. Okay, all the materials I'm telling. Okay, not only from one person. He'll going to bring the all the orders. Okay, it might be some A. Okay, I'll just insert one
How
column.
many quantity?
Quantity also I'm considering.
All the quantity of A or D.
Okay, he might be ordered. He might be ordered around 30 materials. Okay, and he might be okay, this is around 20, I'll say. This is around some 10. Okay, any number I'm just considering. 30, 15, okay, 25, like that I'm going to take. Okay, now I got the A material order from customer one is 30. Okay, once the resource is going to A, he's going to pick 30 plus 20 plus 30. Total he's going to pick 80 products in the whatever the trolley, and B means he'll go to the C. Okay, the C material he'll going to take based upon the route I'm telling. Okay, based upon the route, he'll going to take 10 and 25 and okay, 10, 25. Okay, he is going to bring 35 of the C, and D, if he is going, he'll going to bring the all the whatever the D 20 plus 25 is going to bring. Okay, so all these materials he is bringing in a particular forklift, let us assume like that. Okay, so that he'll going to bring it to the GI zone. It is based upon the route, it is the correct thing. But if you are assigning based upon the activity area, okay, activity area might be A and B are very nearby to each other, and C and D are nearby to each other. That time also, based upon the activity area, you can able to pick the materials. Or else based upon the product, okay, see, product A and product B, okay, that will going to consider everything. Okay, activity area, route, and product, everything it will going to consider. Okay, A is like more materials are there, B is less materials are like that. Also, it will going to see here. We are having A as a very high range materials. Okay, more materials are there. B, how many materials? 20 plus 20, 40, and here 55 materials are there. B. Okay, so and C, if you are analyzing, C is around 35. Okay, and D is having around 45. So B, C and D it will going to combine. Okay, A is separate and B is separate, like that it will going to make. Okay, so like this also it may happen. It will going to create the wave based upon how we will going to provide the concept for the wave. Okay, so we means we have to give, okay, these many only line items should be there. These many materials only it can able to pick. This is the capacity only it can able to achieve. See, you have created these things in the filters or the limits. Remember, filters and limits. So
Yes,
what we
yes.
have done in the filters?
Total how we are going to use, right, filter. This is what you are trying to say.
No, what is the filter? You are forgetting, huh? whenever you are creating the outbound delivery, we'll going to whenever you are outbound delivery also, or the warehouse order creation rule also, you're going to use the filter. You are right?
Right.
Okay. So while doing the warehouse order creation rule, why we're going to assign the filters and limits to the warehouse order creation rule? Because we want to maintain a particular warehouse task in a particular warehouse order. Okay, because segregation of the warehouse orders will be there. If I want to limit or restrict my warehouse task in a particular warehouse order, I'm going to use the limits, and based upon particular capacity, if the warehouse orders has to be generated, okay, only in this warehouse order this must should be the capacity, like that. If I'm considering that time, I'm going to use the filter, like that. I'm going to use the filters and the limits, and I'm going to create the warehouse orders. Correct? No, we have seen that. So here wave also similar to that, but here the combining of the warehouse order means there in the filters, it may pick up A, it may pick up B, it may pick a C, it doesn't matter, but it will going to take only the criteria of how much kg or how much capacity should be there in one particular warehouse order, or else how much warehouse task should be there in one particular warehouse order. Only those things it will going to consider. But which exactly what material I have to pick in this particular warehouse order, exactly what capacity of materials I can able to pick, that will not going to consider. Correct? No? So here wave will going to help for that. Okay, this wave and warehouse order creation rule we can able to manage. Okay, they are combinations. Okay, we can able to manage with the combination. Okay, so here we're going to get some wave templates. What do you mean by wave template? It is a master data. Okay, that wave template is nothing but the master data in SAP. That serves as the framework to combine the warehouse request items. Okay, so in the wave template only we're going to mention, okay, what are the different warehouse requests should be available in one particular wave, like that we can able to mention that. Okay, and here wave template also having certain attributes. Okay, we'll be having a release method for that. The possible values are automatic or immediate or manual, like that, and we will be having the wave type. Okay, so here I'm going to show you one diagram. You can clearly
So
understand.
do we have some capacity on this wave management? I mean, only this much of materials will be allocated in the template. So based on this
That
orders
is there. Yes, we can achieve it through warehouse order creation rule also. Okay, because this wave and warehouse order creation rules are go hand in hand. Okay, so that time it will going to consider those filters, limits, everything, and it will going to means basically we're going to assign this wave in the filter only. Okay, wave category will be there. That wave category will going to assign the filter. Okay, I'm going to show that where you can assign and all. But as of now, I'm just looking for the wave. Okay, management. We're going to go through this. Okay, see here what is happening. We are getting these are the warehouse order warehouse request item 10, 20, like that. It is there now. Okay, so we are getting the warehouse request 100 and warehouse request 200 and warehouse request 300 here. In warehouse request 100, we are having the 10, 20, 30 items. Warehouse request 200, 10, 20, 30, 40 is items is there. Warehouse request 300, warehouse request only item 10 is there. Okay, this is a, route B, and route C. Okay, if you are considering based upon the route, it is the route A, route B, and route C. For that, what will going to happen? See here, 10, 20, and 10. It is taken as one wave. In wave 2, what it has taken? 30, wherever 30 is there. Okay, sorry, 30 and 40 is there. No, this is taken into another wave. And 30 and 10, it is taken into wave 3. It is based upon the route. They have considered something like this. Okay, so if you are taking based upon the product, then whatever wherever the 10 is there, it will going to see 10, 10, 10. It will going to take it to one particular wave. 20, 20. Okay, it will going to take into particular wave. 30, 30. It will going to take into one wave. 40. It will going to take into one wave. Whatever the number of items might be there. Okay. So based upon the product you can able to achieve, based upon the route you can able to achieve, based upon the activity area you can achieve. Okay, so again so many fields will come. We're going to discuss each and every field. Okay, now, as of now we're going to just see how we're going to achieve based upon the what is that product and warehouse number. Okay, no? So because we're going to create our own what is that catalog, that field catalogs and all, we're going to create our own, and we're going to see how it will going to work and all. Okay, na? So now we'll go to the SAP screen. Okay. See, if you are seeing it theoretical wise, okay, it will be like a little bit boring only. Once you're going to see the practical, no, you can understand the concept. Okay, it is similar in decentralized as centralized. Okay, at the embedded system. Okay, so where we have to do the settings. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Okay, here go to the cross process settings. No, goods issue. Okay, in the goods issue process, we will be having the wave management. Okay, we'll be having the wave management. Here we'll be having two different settings. One is the general setting and the wave template determination. First, go to the general settings. Okay, here we'll go with the edit parallel process for the waves. Okay, it should be activated. Okay, we'll just check. See, for our warehouse, it is not yet activated. Make it activated. So we have to make it a what is that parallel processing. We have to make it because it should work with the whatever the what is that warehouse order creation rules are there. Along with that, the wave also should work. Okay, so maintain wave types as well. Okay, we have to maintain our wave types. So for 1100, nothing is there. Okay, just say wave types means new entries. Okay, we're going to see if anything is there, we have to delete it. Okay, then we have to maintain the wave types. Okay, so in this I'll say new entry, warehouse is 1100. Wave type I'll going to take wave type 01, like that I can consider wave type 01. Okay, so I'll say 1100 wave type. Okay, or else wave type 01 only you consider. I'll going to take one more wave type 1100 wave type 02. Okay, 1100 wave type 02. Okay, so like that I'm going to consider. I have created two wave types and just save it. Okay, go back. Next, we have to create the wave categories. Okay, so these wave categories only most of the time we're going to use it in the what is that filters. Okay, we're going to use it with the filters. I'm going to show you. Okay, so here say new entries. My warehouse is 1100. This is a 2-digit code only. Okay, you cannot take more than 2 digits. So what I'll do, category 1. Okay, so anything you can give, just give category 1. That is the 1100 category 1. Okay, and I'll take 1100 category 2. Okay, 1100 category 02. I'll just consider, just save it. So where you will going to assign this category. Okay, but we're not going to do that, but I'm just showing you SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Okay, you have to go to the cross process settings. Under that warehouse order, you have to go. Here filters, define filters is there no for the creation rule. Okay, just open any filters as of now. Okay, here somewhere else you're going to get the category wave category. See here, we have to assign that wave category so that it is going to work along with this filter. Got it, no? So we whenever you require that, okay, most of the time we're going to provide it, but whenever you require, we can achieve it. Okay, so if you want to purely study about the wave, then that will not going to means we'll not going to consider that. We'll just go with the wave only. Okay, so next thing is how set automatic wave generation for the warehouse process type. Okay, so whatever the WPT we have created for removal, for that we have to set the whether it has to create automatically or manually, like that we have to consider. See, 2010 is for removal. Okay, you want to set it for the automatic, you can see it, or else let us consider for F210 I'm considering automatic wave creation. Okay, For 2010, we're going to create it manually. How to create manually and automatic, both things we're going to study through this. Okay, I'll just go back. Okay, then the maintain wave capacity profile is there. Okay, so we have to maintain the capacity profile as well. So I'll just see no, nothing is there from our end. What I'll say new entries. Okay, warehouse is 1100 and the capacity profile we have to provide. Okay, anything. Okay, so I'll say capacity profile like that only. Description. Okay, so this is 1100 capacity profile and provide. See here, maximum number of items. How many items we can able to take in particular weight? Maximum number of weight. How much of weight you have to take? Weight unit and volume unit. Everything you can able to provide here. Okay, similar to the filter. I said right. So I'll say means here you can able to achieve the limits also. See maximum number of items it is telling. But in the limits, what you will going to put? Maximum number of warehouse tasks you will going to put. Remember? Okay, here items it is asking about. Okay, in one particular wave, if you are putting only 2 items means 2 particular materials. Okay, in this case, it will bring only if 10, 3 tons are there here. Okay, it will take only 2 tons here. See here, one wave it can only bring 2 tons if you are maintaining the 2. Means 20 it will going to ignore. I'm just telling. Okay, 10 it will going to consider and it will going to take in one wave. Okay, as they have mentioned, maybe 3 they might have mentioned, so that is why it is taking a 3 different warehouse items. Okay, 3 different items into one particular wave. Getting the idea? Here they have maintained the 3 items. That is why it is considering 3, 1, 2, and 3. It is considering one wave. This 1, 1 and 2 and 3 it is considering the second wave, and this 1 and 2 it is considering the third wave. Like that it is making. Okay, because total are around 8 items are there, so it is considering 3 into 2 different wave and 2 items into a different wave. So if you are maintaining, let us consider I'm maintaining 3 again here. Okay, let us consider we are maintaining 3. So we'll see how many items will going to fit into one particular wave. Okay, we can able to see that. Okay, so here I have mentioned only 3 and just save this. Okay, go back wave capacity we have mentioned, and define wave simulation setting. Okay, so we are not doing any simulation as of now. Okay, we're not going to take this part. And wave template determination. Okay, go to the wave template determination. Wave template means we need some condition records. Okay, and we will going to maintain certain tables and fields etc here. Okay, as I said, these things will going to come everywhere. Okay, these are so many different fields are available. Through this fields we're going to create our own wave templates. Okay, see here, define condition table it is there. How will going to achieve this condition table? You can create your own, or else whatever the existing is there. See, these are the what is that? WHM. Okay, so this is the standard one. Okay, this is the standard one. If you see in this, okay, what it is considered? It is considered the warehouse number and warehouse request document item category values. Okay, no, I don't want this. Let us create one new one. Okay, that is also can be achievable. Okay, what we'll do, we're going to create our own and we're going to see how we can able to achieve this condition tables and all. Okay, fields and all you will not going to create. Okay, fields will be predefined ones. Okay, so I will going to create my own condition table. Let us consider how we're going to define is our one like 1100 condition table I'll going to take. Okay, no? Oh, sorry, I have to say edit here. Okay, 1100 edit. Okay, here description should come here. Okay, I'm giving the 1100 condition table. I'll going to do same thing. Okay, condition table. Okay, this is the condition table what I'm creating. So in this I have to put the fields, right? So here I have to put the fields. Okay, I'll going to select some product. Okay, where is the product? Okay, product is there. Just click this and click on this arrow. It is going to come here. Okay, and based upon the product and let us consider warehouse. I'm going to warehouse number. I'm going to create my wave. Let us consider like this. Okay, based upon the product and warehouse number, I'm going to maintain the condition table. Okay, only I'm considering these two. You will maintain the condition table whenever you are doing the pricing procedure. Have you remember? Okay, yes. There also we're going to select the vendor, based upon the plant, based upon the document types, okay, product, all those things we're going to consider and we're going to create the condition table. Just like that, I'm just taking two things and I'm creating condition table here. Okay, I'm just activating this, activate it, save, yes. Package, I'll say local object only. Okay, I'm not going to create any. Save anyway. Okay, save. Means it is saying already table with the same fields and combination is available. Why can't you use it? Okay, I'm just creating my own. Okay, not an issue, right? So I just created the template. Okay, if you want to see, you can see the log here. Okay, it is generated. Okay, whatever the wave template is there, it is generated. So condition table, it is generated. Sorry, not wave template. It is a condition table. What I have created. Define access sequence is there. Once you have created this condition table, now you have to create everything again on your own. I'll go to the define access sequence here. This WME is application and usage the WD. Okay, for different things, I have explained all these things. Okay, while creating the packaging, what is it? Not packaging. What is that? Handling it. Okay, like labeling, handling it, labeling PHU, like that it used to come. Okay, so I have shown that time. Okay, whatever the application and usage. Okay, so here also I need to create my own access sequence. Okay, I'll just say new entry. Okay, it is a client, it's cross client, so please be aware like that it is telling it is okay. So I'm going to say new entries here and say 1100 only. Okay, so this is my access sequence 1100 access sequence. Okay, so like that I'm going to create, click enter. Okay, just select this and go to the accesses. So in the accesses, I have to give my table here. Okay, whatever the table just now I have created, no, that table I have to give here, that condition table. I'll say new entries here. Okay, access, this is the access. Okay, you can give any number. Okay, you can give any number. So or else go to the table, just give the table 1100 condition table. Correct now? Click enter. 1100 condition table. Okay, select the key. See, I have created the, means I have assigned this condition table over here. Select this and go to the fields. We're going to see both these fields, whatever the fields you have selected. Correct now? That Matner and LGNUM is nothing but the whereas number. Okay. So we have got this two fields here. Okay, just save this. Okay, here we have to create our own. Okay, I'll say wave. Okay, so go back. Okay, so I have created my access sequence. For that access sequence, I have assigned my condition table as well. Then condition types, I have to create my own condition types. Okay, I'll say here also new entries here. Okay, new okay, sorry, it was in the edit only. So I'll say new entries. Okay, again application you can say WME and usage is WD. So application you have to use WME only at the end. Okay, so condition type, let us consider I'm taking 1100 as a condition type for me. Description I'm going to give 1100 condition type. Okay, I'll say. And access sequence. What access sequence I have defined just now? 1100. I have remember. Okay, so just click enter.
AS, right?
No. That is the description I have given.
Description.
But 1100 is the condition type.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, I have created the condition type as well. Means I am just creating to remember. Okay, 1100. It will not be the same case in your thing. Okay, I'm just creating for myself. Okay, then define determination procedure. I'll go. Okay, how we're going to determine the things. Okay, I'll just see here also nothing is there for us. Okay, again you say new entries. We have to determine the procedure. Okay, say new entries. Procedure I'll say. Okay, let us consider I'm creating 1100 only. Again procedure. Okay, for this also 1100. What is that? Wave determination procedure. Okay, select this and go to the elements of the condition procedure. Here I have to give the counter and conditions, all those things we have to give. Okay, so what I'll say, new entries. I'll say one number counter, don't give anything. Okay, here condition type I have to give, that is 1100. Counter it is going to take automatically 0. Okay, just save this. Okay, this you will going to get something that is calculation schema, right? So in that you will going to get the counters and all. Okay, so you're going to, whenever you'll be putting the calculation and all, that time counter will going to appear. I think you already know about those things. Okay, so then after defining the determination procedure, I have to assign the procedure for the document type. Okay, whatever the document types are there for us. So for that particular, which document we're going to use for the outbound document type?
Document type for outbound document type.
For inbound, which document type will be using? INB. INB, right? Okay, for outbound?
OCD.
OUTB. Okay. OUTB is the document type for you. Okay. So here also I'll say new entries. Okay. I'll say 1100 is my warehouse, and document category is a outbound delivery order you can take. Okay. So see here, this wave determination procedure only can happen for the outbound delivery order, posting change, or the internal stock transfer. It is not possible for the inbound delivery. It is not possible for the inbound delivery. Got it? Okay, here it is very important. Okay, I'll just put OUTB here. Okay, and I'll going to give my procedure. What is the procedure? 1100 I have created just now. Okay, just click enter, save it. Any doubts here until this? Okay, and I have taken the assignment. Okay, next define condition maintenance group is there. Okay, I have to take the condition maintenance group as well. Okay, just go here in the condition maintenance group. Okay, you have to search a WME. Okay, application. Okay, maintenance group we have created for the WME only. Okay, so those things we're going to take and we'll proceed. Okay, WME we're going to consider. WME wave template out determination. Okay, so just take this, go to the condition maintenance group details. Okay, here in the WME we have to assign our own. Okay, because here until 4 only it is there, ours is not at there. Okay, in the WME only I want to assign, because this WME is a maintenance group. I have to take. I'll say new entries here. Until 4 was there, I'll give 5 here. Okay, and what is the application for us? That is WME, correct? And what is the usage? WD, correct? And what is the condition type we have created? 1100 condition type. This one I have created, correct? No? And sorry, this is the condition table. Okay, the condition type I have created 1100. You are right. Okay, condition type is 1100. I have created. Okay, description you can provide. Okay, any description if you want to provide. So this is a 1100 maintenance group, like that I'm going to say. Okay, just click enter. Enter. Okay, see this one I have created. Okay, any doubts here?
Yeah, counter, why are we providing 5, or it is automatically taking?
No, not automatically taking. I'll just come over here. Okay, you can give any number. Okay, so but you shouldn't use the whatever the existing numbers are there. 1 minute.
Okay, already existing 4 is there, so we have used
that is why I just use the 5. Okay, that's the only thing. See, until 4 is there, so I have used 5. That's it. Okay. Okay, because but whenever, okay, it's not going to consider all these things. This will only consider this one only, because I'll be taking the 1100 means it will be taking only this condition counter and it will going to proceed. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that is not an issue. Okay, just go back. Okay, after maintaining the condition table, you can see define dimension indicator is there. Okay, we don't use this indicators for the intervals and all. Okay, I'm not going to maintain this. So these are the different settings what I have done at the backend. Okay, these conditions, see where I have given the automatic wave creation and all. If you go to the general settings, here automatic wave creation, if you open this, okay, go to the position 1100. Here I have given it for the F210. Okay, I have to see that particular thing in the warehouse process type also. Warehouse process type also I need to check it. Okay, so I will go to the warehouse task here, warehouse process type. Okay, I'll say okay. Okay, I shouldn't say okay because I have to edit it here if it is not there. I am here now, so that is why it is giving. Okay, I'll just go back here. Okay, so I'll just execute this one. Okay, now go to the 1100. First, just check. Okay, 2010. Okay, here automatic wave creation is one thing. Okay, I have not given for this. Okay, I'm not going to take it here. Okay, so wherever you have given now, that one you have to take. See here for F210 you have given. So go here. So F210. See, automatic wave creation is already ticked here because I have given there. It is coming here. Got it? Okay. So like that. Just save this. Okay, it is no changes. Okay. So here in the warehouse process type also it will going to appear. Okay, whenever you are ticking there.
Okay, Sri, one quick question.
Okay.
So you have already mentioned without HU we can't do some process, right? So same way here also with HU, without HU, we don't have any specific concept on wave. Am I right? Or do we have such concept also?
No. You don't. Why you are mixing this HU and wave here? Whatever there, it might be HU or it might be a product. It will going to pick through the wave only.
Okay.
Let us consider the product is in HU. Okay, it will not means how you will going to mention the controlling up of the picking. Okay, so control of the picking we have seen it already. Okay, these are very long back. We have seen these things. Control for the pick HU removal. Okay, so we don't care. Okay, the material might be there or the whatever the full HU you have to remove. This will be taken care by the control pick HU. Okay, but wave, if you are defining wave is separate concept only, right? Okay, in that way, as I said, this will going to segregate the outbound delivery order items into different what is that waves based upon the route, activity area, and the product I said. Okay, based upon that, it will going to segregate and it will going to create a waves. Okay, no. Okay. So don't mix. Okay, if it is HU or if it is non-HU, anything it will going to take. Okay.
Okay. Noted.
So just go back now. Okay, here now we will going to create the wave template. Then we will going to maintain the condition records. Okay. So first, okay, in the easy access, we have to go to the logistics, same extended warehouse management, EWM. Okay, here we have to go to the work scheduling, and here wave management. Okay, in this wave management, here three different things are there. One is the maintain conditions for the determination of the wave template. Second is the maintain wave template. Third is the maintain waves. Okay, first I have to create the wave template, then I'm going to maintain the condition record. Okay, so just to create on the wave template here. Okay, wave temp is there now. Just create on this. Okay, our warehouse 1100. Okay, I have to create my own wave template here. Okay, then I have to define the attributes for that wave template. It is very hectic one. Okay, but we have to define. This is a one time. This wave template you can use it again and again. It is a repeatable use. It can be possible. Okay, I'll just create some 101 as a template one. Okay, in the description I'm going to give some 1100 wave template one wave M01 like that I'm going to give. And here three different things. Oh, sorry, three different things you have. One is the manual, automatic, and immediate. So let us consider I am taking it a manual wave creation for this. Okay, and here what is the wave type I will going to consider? Let us consider wave type 01. I'm going to take this. Okay, and what is the category? Which one through this you are taking this one? I'll say category 1. C1 I have defined, correct? So whether the assignments are there or not, okay, I'm not considering the assignment. What do you mean by this assignment? Okay. See, wave assignment also possible after a wave release. See, after the wave release also you will be having the wave assignment. If you set this indicator for the wave, you can also assign delivery items to the wave following wave release until the wave cutoff date or time. See, until the wave cutoff or time, the resource, okay, here I have explained. Okay, until 8 to 9, whatever the what is that orders are generating now, until that you will be what is that you will going to consider these all order items and you will going to bring that, correct? No, but what you have done, you got one order at 8:10. Okay, and from this GI zone to the whatever the area is there, picking area, It is very long distance. Let us consider. Okay, you cannot wait until 8 to 9. So you left at 8:30, so that only two orders are generated here. Correct. So in that case, you left at 8:30 and you are going there. When you are picking the materials, okay, by reaching here only will take half an hour. Let us consider you are taking half an hour to reach here only. Okay, that much big warehouse is also available. Okay, so if you are going here and you want to pick certain materials, okay, that time what will going to happen? At 8:55, some other order is going to get triggered. That time, this order items, whatever the however we're going to provide the wave, no, however we have defined our wave template or the wave concept, okay, whether it is going to based upon the product route or the warehouse number or the activity area, everything. So that order items also will going to include in that particular whatever the resource has gone, no, that will going to assign to this resource only. It will going to trigger them, okay, in the RF. Okay, so you have to bring a few more products like that. Okay, let us consider only two are there. Okay, he is bringing a material 30 and here only 30 it is there. Correct, no? Only 30 he has to bring. In that case, what will going to happen? Once this order also triggered means it will going to suggest him and the 30 he has to bring from here. Okay, whenever he is reaching here, so he will going to bring 60 materials directly. Getting the idea? Until the finish time of the wave. Okay, whatever the orders are getting, that also is going to include in that wave and it is going to move. See here. Here, if you are pressing F1, it is saying the same thing. 1 minute.
Three.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
In Excel sheet you shown D column. There, can we
D, okay.
do any sequence of wave like 30, 10, and 15 mix up for wave 1 and another 20, 25 and 25 like that? Can we mix in wave 2, wave 1 and
yeah, that can be possible. That is why I am telling it is based upon the activity area, route, and the product answering. Okay, once you have defined your warehouse, you know what are the different products are in what route and what are the different activity areas are beside each other and what are the products are stored where. Okay, all these things you have known already. Okay, based upon this, we will be creating the wave. Okay, so it will going to split the order items. Okay, whatever the outbound delivery order items are there, it will going to split in such a way. It will be easy for the resource to pick these particular parts very with a efficient way. Okay, he'll going to pick it and he'll going to come back. Okay, so that is how it is going to happen. Got it, no?
can we change manually anytime?
Yeah, manual if it is there, if you want to change, then you have to go with the change only. Okay, that will be a change request and you have to change. You can change if you want. Okay. So here, okay, I'll go. I have connected with the mobile network, so that might be some error. Okay, because here fluctuation of the 5G to 4G it will going to happen here. Okay, so I'll go to the logistics, SAP EWM, Exchange Warehouse Management, work scheduling. Okay, view management. Under that, your template I am maintaining. Okay, 1100. I have to create the new one. Okay, template I'm going to say 101. Description 1100. Your temp 1 I have created. Manual I am taking. View type WT01 I am taking. Category C1 I am taking. Assignment. Okay, this one I was explaining. So if you set this indicate for the wave, you can also assign delivery items. Okay, next delivery items to the wave following wave release until the wave cutoff time. Okay, what is the wave cutoff time in our case? That is 9 o'clock. Correct. 9 o'clock is the wave cutoff time. Until that, whatever the order items are coming, everything is going to assign within this. Like that it is saying. Okay. Here, pick denial is a case where we'll be having the leave item in the wave. Okay. Leave item in the wave release. Okay. Release again later. Okay. Sometimes you go to the bin. Okay. In that bin, you don't see the products. Okay, you don't see enough products. Let us consider A. I got the order of around 30, no? So I go to the bin, but there I can see only 20 products. 10 products are not there. Then what I can do? It will going to trigger the pick denial concept automatically. Pick denial means partial creation of the warehouse task, or else means warehouse task will not going to create at all. Okay, in the pick denial. So it will going to adjust the order items accordingly. Okay, means it will going to adjust these order items, and whenever we're going to have the wave, no, it will be having the leave items in the wave only. Okay, in that wave only it will going to leave the items, but whenever I'll going to release it again, that time if the material is available, that time it will going to pick it. Got the idea?
That means you are saying like if there is not available in stock,
Yes.
that quantity is not available in stock, then again they run the
so second time
they
wave
are
will going
provide-
to run, right? 9 to 10 wave will be there, correct?
uh-huh.
So by that time, if the material is available, okay, let us consider here 30 or 60, total 60 A I require. Okay, so I go here, I am finding only 40 materials are available in the bin. Okay,
Okay.
so some replacement has to happen or something has to happen, so that we're going to get the material here, but I don't have the material as at this moment. Okay, material might be somewhere else in the warehouse, or else material not at all is there. Okay, so what it will going to happen? I'll going to try to pick the materials, 60 materials, but here only I can see only 40 materials. I'm going to scan only 40 materials and we're going to take it in the resource. Okay, and the 20 is going to remain. No, that will going to cause a pick denial. Pick denial means a partial creation of the warehouse task. Okay, warehouse task is what? You have to pick 60 materials, but you are taking only 40 materials from here, correct? So it is a partial creation of the warehouse task, or else, okay, sometimes you will not at all going to create the warehouse task because zero material is there. Nothing, warehouse task will not going to generate here, correct? No? So it will going to cancel that warehouse task automatically. Okay, this will be stayed in the wave only. Okay, all the and the 20 materials are remain no here. Okay, that will be stayed in the wave only, that wave only, whatever the wave it is assigned. So whenever you are going for the next what is that pickup, okay, like 9 to 10, one more 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. we'll be having one more wave. Okay, so in this if okay, I know that here only 40 materials are there, so I need to bring, okay, and the 20, like that the system will suggest. Okay, by that time if any replacements were happened or something, okay, because here let us consider the 30 is the threshold value for the replenishment. Let us consider. So once it is going below the 30, the replenishment is going to happen to the maximum for 100. Let us consider like that. Okay, no? So in that case, and that 20 will be there. Okay, that time 100 materials will be there, so that you can bring 20 materials. Got it? Okay, so like that, the wave will going to get triggered. So the first thing,
sorry to interrupt. As you said, there are 40 quantities available. I mean, the requirement quantity is 50. Okay.
60.
And okay, the requirement is 60. 30 plus okay, 30 plus 30, 60. Now we have in bin 40 quantity.
Okay.
Okay. So as you said, replenishment is happening in the back end. Okay. Once we pick the 40, for the remaining quantities, the replenishment will happen and they will bring the materials and they will fill in.
Okay, see,
so
if
in the meantime,
if this is the primary zone and buffer zone somewhere else, okay, in that time only I'm telling, okay, don't consider that will going to happen all the time. Let us consider only 40 materials only available in the entire warehouse. That time you have to bring the order, then only it will going to achieve, correct? No?
Okay.
Okay, but as of now I said only replenishment is happening. Okay, like that I said. Okay, yeah. No.
Okay, so if replenishment is happening, then for one customer, I mean for C1 and C3.
Okay.
So in C1 they require 30 and C3 they require 30.
Okay.
We have only 40 available. So remaining 20 quantities, for example, as you said, we have different bins with different materials we are going to pull. Right?
Correct.
So first we are going for A bin. A storage type,
Mm-hmm.
first storage type, and we are getting 40 materials on particular material,
Correct.
and then we are going for B material and C material and D material.
Okay.
While we are moving to B and C, if there is a different, if there are if the warehouse is very big, right,
Okay.
then it will take some time to reach to next storage type
Mm-hmm.
B or next storage type C.
Okay.
So in this case, we have picked only 40 quantities.
Mm-hmm.
So once we pick B and C, in the meantime, in backend, some other resource they will be pulling from buffer quantity. I mean buffer.
Okay, in this
place
case
to-
only you are telling like once they'll be filled to 100, whether that will going to pick or not, correct? No?
Yes, exactly.
No, it will not going to pick because it is already moved to the second wave. Okay, it is wave moved to the 9 to 10 wave. It will be stayed in the wave only. In that wave only it will going to stay, but it will going to take it in the 9 to 10. Okay, that time it will not going to consider this. It is done. The process is done here. Okay.
So for wave we are giving timing also.
Yeah.
Duration.
Correct. No, not duration. Means in that time, whatever the orders are coming, it will going to pick like that. It is not the duration. Okay, this is the wave duration I'm saying, but it shouldn't. It should complete within this time. It is not the case. Okay, it will not going to happen like that. But
Yeah,
whatever
but you are saying 8 to 9 means sometimes we are running this wave at
background job.
8 a.m. and afterwards, right?
correct means 8 to 9 means we're going to release the wave at only at the 9 only until 8 to 9. Whatever the orders will be coming, we're going to release the wave at 9, and whatever the orders are there within this 8 to 9, all this thing going to consider. Okay.
Okay, so this wave management is specific to material also. Whereas creation rule you have already mentioned, that I totally agree, and that is also specific for some materials also, if I'm right.
Yes.
So we are not going to consider wave for all the materials.
It is based upon how you are taking. Okay, see, once you have created the template with the product and the warehouse number, we're going to mention it for all the products, right? It is not an individual product. We are not mentioning it to individual product. Am I right?
Right. See, what I was thinking is, we have MRP setup.
Okay.
MRP setup we are not going to maintain for all the materials.
Mm-hmm.
When and where the requirement is there, for only for those materials we will activate that MRP. So based on that, in MRP it will re-trigger the purchase request, and new orders will generate, and that will be converted to PR to PU, and that will be utilized.
Mm-hmm.
So in the same way, do we have same kind of concept over here?
No,
also?
it is not the same, but if you want, okay, if you want, you can able to maintain it for particular materials also. Okay, it is see that F210 I have taken.
Right.
F210 for which material it will be coming for us in our case?
I'm not able to recall that.
Okay.
F210, I know warehouse storage type.
No, warehouse
I mean,
process type. Okay, that
warehouse-
warehouse process type we have assigned for the material to based upon the process determination control indicator. Okay. We have given the process determination control indicator in the material. Based upon that, it will going to pick the F210. Okay. How it will going to pick the F210? What is the basis of determination of the warehouse process type here? Document type, item type, what is that? Delivery priority and process determination control indicator. On these 4 different things, we will going to determine the warehouse process type. Okay, but
Right.
only if you are maintaining the wave, let us consider automatic wave creation only for the F210. In that case, it will going to consider only the material 2. It will not going to consider material 1 at all. Correct, no?
Okay, fine.
Okay, so like that you can take. Okay. So here we were creating the wave template here. Okay, so and here retry is there. Next thing. Okay, so this is one. I'll just click enter. It is gone again.
You may have to log in again.
Yes,
if I'm right.
yes. I'm logging. what is that? Slash n slash scwm slash pmp, I think. Okay, 1100. Okay, here I'll say new entries. Template is 101. Okay, just click enter. Okay, 102 I'm going to create. This is wave template 2. Okay, let us consider this is a immediate one, and I'll take WT02 here, and this is C2. Okay, save it. So I have created two templates, but for this, one template, I have to give the time attributes. Okay, whatever the time attributes are there, I have to give here. See, this is one headache. I'll just say new entries. Okay, it is asking for the option. Option 1 is cutoff time. Let us consider 8:45. I'm considering 8:45. It is a cutoff time and cutoff date.
Okay. Can we also include like
No, 1 minute.
hour?
I'll just means complete this. Okay, you can ask me the question
Okay.
because it is again and again it is moving outside.
Okay.
Okay, release date. I'm going to Q1. See, I'll explain this. 8:45 is the cutoff time. I'm releasing the wave. In this particular time, I'm releasing the wave. Whatever the orders I have got it and the night or something, it is taking 8:45. I'm releasing the wave. Okay, release time is 9 a.m. Okay, by that time I'm going to release the wave. And release days. Okay, we have to release in 1 day only. Pick start. When the pick is starting. Okay, I'm starting it from 9:15 a.m. 9:15. I'm starting the picking start date. Okay, it is going to start at 1 day only. Picking completion. Okay, the completion. Okay, might be happening by afternoon 1 o'clock. Okay, so picking is going to complete here. Okay, now here pick days. Okay, one I have to give here. Okay, and pack start. Okay, pack I'm doing it by 2 o'clock. Okay, by 2 o'clock I'm giving doing the pack. Click enter. Okay, wave template. Okay, that is fine. Oh yeah, it is taken. Okay. Okay, pack days. Only 1 day I'm going to provide for the packing days. Okay, and pack completion. I'm going to say at around 4 o'clock. Okay, our packing is completing like that. Okay, and pack days 1. Okay, stage. Okay, we need to stage this, right? So I'm going to say around 6 o'clock. We're going to stage the product. Stage days and wave completion. Okay, wave completion is going to happen at 8 o'clock around. Okay, like that I'm going to give. See, this thing 0 and it is taken automatically because we have maintained the control parameter, so that is why it is taken. So why I am giving all these things? Let us consider it's a big warehouse and all these things are happening at this particular time. So we are taking so many different materials because whatever the materials are ordered, okay, maybe from 8 o'clock in the evening, I mean in the night to the morning 7:45, we are considering all those order items and we are making it. What is that? We are bringing all the items. Okay, packing and just consider the Amazon. Okay, Amazon is going to order. Okay, if you are ordering by this time, it will going to give you it. The delivery will be at this particular time, like that. It will going to show you. Correct? No. Okay, why it will going to you by order by this time? Because the wave will going to generate over there. Okay, means backend. Okay, it might be that backend are some things they're going to consider and they might be telling you. They're going to consider the what is that Saturday, Sunday, all those things they're going to consider and they're going to show you. Okay, so in this case, what you are doing, you are ordering the material in the night. Okay, at around in the Bangalore and all, it is a 1 day delivery only. Okay, if you are ordering, let us consider material by before 8:45 a.m. Before 8:45 a.m. It is a 1 day delivery. Means the delivery is going to means the truck will going to move or the person going to move. Wave completion will going to happen at 8 o'clock. Okay, this time the delivery will not be there. If you are ordering before 8:45, then it will be delivered by maybe next day only. Okay, getting the concept here. Okay, we'll get 8:45. Before 8:45, if you are ordering something, okay, by night 8 o'clock. Okay, night 8 o'clock, wave completion is going to take place. okay, you may get the delivery by the next morning. Okay, got it? Sometimes in big bazaar and all, it will not be the case. Okay, wave will be not going to take this many time. Okay, see, you will going to order the materials maybe at in the evening. Okay, and morning you will going to get the delivery because they are running 24/7. Okay, night you will going to order. Okay, I know I need these many groceries, something like that, and you're going to set up the time. Okay, at this time I want to get this delivered. So they will going to first propose. Okay, first initial time they will going to propose. After that, you can able to change whatever the time you want to. Correct, no? So let us consider you are ordering. Okay, first I'm going to save it. Okay, save this. Okay, I have saved. Let us consider you are ordering some materials at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay, today, not today. Yesterday you have ordered some materials. Okay, 7 p.m. yesterday. And what is happening? They will going to give some time. Okay, morning 8 a.m. the delivery should be there, like that. It will going to come. Okay, no, you are not available at 8 a.m. Okay, from here they're going to give the intervals. Okay, here they might have given the 8 to 10 a.m. Okay, they might have given the interval, but if you are not choosing this, they're going to give some 12 to 2, like that. They're going to provide. Correct, no? After that, if this is not the feasible for you, then 4 to 6 they're going to provide. 4 to 6. Am I right? So you ordered no any groceries you have ordered no any time.
Yes, yes.
That time this is the same case. No, I'm just asking
Yes.
a similar thing
Yes.
to you. Okay. So this will going to give the time interval. By that time, if you are clicking that, it will going to deliver in that particular time only. Okay, so this is how it will going to take. Okay, so something a wave will be creating there also. They're going to pick all the materials, like that. They're going to happen most of the time in the grocery stores or the Amazon, like whatever the deliveries. Okay, big companies are there. No, they have to use this wave concept. Okay, but there are so many companies.
Generally they are using in the big basket. That
Yeah, big
timing is
basket.
not-
Yes, exactly. Okay, so here big basket also means first thing I have where I have introduced for the big basket. No, that time I was not worked with the wave, but I know how the wave used to create and all. Okay, because some seniors were there. They used to operate on the waves. All the means that was the first project for me. That time, so many seniors were involved within this. I was just learning. Okay, so there they have created the wave. Okay, how they used to set and all. Now I am getting it. Okay, whenever I am seeing all these things. Okay, got the idea, no, about the wave.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how they're going to create the template. Okay, so next template I have to create here. Okay, for the next template, go back. Okay, here second one. For yeah, you were asking something, Dinesh.
No, nothing.
Okay, so this is the immediate one. For this also I have to give. Okay, same thing you just provide. Okay, not an issue. 8:45 something is happening. Okay, the cutoff time. Okay, cutoff delay. Release time it is around 9. You are doing release date. Pick start will going to happen from 9:15. You will be starting the picking activity, and pick days and pick completion. It might be happening at 1 o'clock. Same thing I am giving. Okay, and pack starts at around 2 o'clock. You will be starting the pack, and pack completion it will be happening by 4 o'clock. Okay, pack days and pack staging. Okay, it will going to completion by 18. No, okay, it is available here. So actually, if you click enter, calendar should take automatically because of the we have maintained the control parameters for the warehouse, right? So there from there it is going to do that. Okay, now I have created the templates. Okay, 101 and 102, and now what is that? We're going to see the wave management. Okay, again we're going to go to the 1 minute. I will go back. So see logistics. SMEWM, exchange warehouse management, work scheduling. Okay, under that wave management, here we're going to see maintain conditions for the determination of the wave temperature. Okay, we need to maintain the condition. Without conditions, it will not going to. Anything is there. If you want to see for our warehouse, okay, you just go and give your warehouse number 1100. Execute. Nothing is there. Okay, just create a new condition types. Okay, which one I need to consider? Mine. Okay, I have created my own condition category and all. Okay, condition table, everything I have created my own. I'll just take this. Okay, condition type, and it is asking the warehouse number on which particular fields I have taken this. Only on the warehouse number and the product. Correct? No. Only two things I have considered. So that is why based upon these two things only I am creating the condition record. Got the idea? If you are taking some other, then they might be having so many different fields, okay, because they are considering all those things. But I am considering only the warehouse number and the product. So that is why on these two only I am creating the condition record. Just like, okay, if you are creating a condition record based upon the that pricing procedure based upon the vendor and the material, only you're going to see the vendor and the material, and you're going to create the condition record. Okay, just like that I am creating here. Product is 1100 mat 1. Okay, and the template I'm going to consider 101 for this. Click enter. Okay, and next one 1100. I'll say 1100 mat 2. I'm going to consider for this. I'm going to consider 102. Okay, so for this wave type 2 is there and condition category 2 is there. Okay, this is for this one is there. Okay, and this one is created for the automatic because F210 it is taken for this. Correct? No, and for this is the manual one. Correct? Because it is picking from a 2010. Okay, we're going to see how it will be there. Okay, just save this where we can able to check those things. Okay, where we can able to check. Go to the mat 1 1100. Okay, go to the change. Okay, warehouse process type. Here I have not assigned anything. Okay, process type determination indicator. So it will going to pick from the 2010 only. Correct? I'm going to use the mat 2 now. Okay, let's see mat 2. Go to the warehouse data. Here F1 I have given, so that it will going to pick from the F210. Correct? Any doubts here? Okay, for F210 I have given automatic evaporation. Correct?
Right.
Okay. So now we can able to see automatic evaporation I have already set. So what we'll do, we're going to create some warehouse orders and we're going to see how it will going to work. Okay, so what we will do, I'm going to create one outbound delivery now. Okay, so after creation of the outbound delivery, we're going to do a test case. Okay,
So my question, I have a question, Sri.
Yes.
We have the wave cutoff time, right?
correct,
8 to 9.
correct.
So for each 1 hour the wave it will trigger, or 8 to 9 o'clock it will trigger, 9 to 10 o'clock it will trigger,
Yes.
10 to 11.
Correct, it will be like that only.
Because right now we have seen one cycle. For example, in wave template you have mentioned we are going to start the wave time at cutoff time at 8:45.
Bro, that is what I said. Whatever I have mentioned, that is for some different thing. Okay, what I have explained here, 8 to 9 means it is for groceries and all. I have said for this. Okay, 8 to 9 and 9 to 10 like that. Okay, but let us consider you are doing it for some Amazon and all. Okay, that time the cutoff time will start. Okay, whatever the time I am mentioning here, that is for some different thing. Okay, so here.
Because you have included for picking, packing, everything.
Everything,
we have
okay. So
specific time, right?
See,
so
some warehouse is very small. Warehouse is very small. In that case, what you can now do, 8 to 9. Okay, if it is the case, and 9 o'clock you will be start picking it. By maybe 12 o'clock you will start. You will pack and you will be. It will be ready for your what is that movement? Okay, order delivery. It will be going to start by 12 o'clock.
Both issues one it can be, yeah.
In that case, it will be okay. But some big warehouses are there. For that, I have taken all these things. Okay, so only picking is completed at 1 o'clock means so many deliveries you got. Okay.
Okay.
So next packing is starting at 2 and it is ending at 4 means you are packing at that particular time. Okay. Then it will going to stage by 16 means 6 o'clock in the evening, and it will going to wave compression is going to happen at 8 o'clock. Then next day immediately morning, or else immediately that particular time only the delivery is going to start. Okay, by 8 no VRL buses will be moving and all. That time they're going to put the materials to the buses, or sometimes logistics will be there. Okay, for that they're going to put like that, they're going to make it. Okay, by 10 o'clock the logistics will be moving from the cities, correct? No, if they
Okay,
can
okay.
able to achieve this, they're going to go there and put it, or else next day delivery will be going to happen. Okay.
Okay, so for example, if we have right now you are showing 101 as a wave template.
Okay.
If we have 105, 102, 103, 104, 105, 105, 106 to 100, if we are creating 10 wave template. So for each wave template, the timing will be differ and different resources will be working on that.
Yes.
Am I right?
Correct. Means it is depends, right? It is depends. See, in the same thing, okay, in the what is that? What is that? What is that? Amazon only. So many people will be ordering. Correct.
Right.
Okay, so let us consider you are ordering from Bangalore. I am ordering from my native, like some small village is there. Okay, so the same delivery not going to happen for me. Okay, the picker will going to means the packaging will going to happen, but delivery when it will going to happen after 2 to 3 days. Okay, but for you
Right.
1 day delivery will be there. Okay, because that will be the case. Okay, the same way based upon the pin code. You can able to have the templates. Okay, whatever the templates is there, the wave will going to create based upon that. And for okay, these are the orders came from the Bangalore. Based upon the a region, you can able to create the wave. Okay, so all these things you will going to include, and you're going to pick all the materials whatever it is there for the Bangalore region. Okay, and like North Karnataka, that will going to segregate everything, and it will going to order for the North Karnataka. Like that, it will going to create the wave. Getting the idea?
Yeah.
Like that also it can happen.
Yeah, so multiple templates will be there based on that. Multiple people's, multiple resources will be working on the same day. It is not specifically for one particular template where the timing is going to end at 8:20, where picking, packing, or PJ is going to complete at 8:20, for example.
Hi.
So same way, we have different time zones and different waves. The next wave will generate at 10 o'clock. Now it is going to start at 8:45.
Correct.
Then 9:45, then 10:45. Okay, multiple wave templates, multiple resources, multiple picking, multiple packing. But how about the end time? Because right now you are mentioning the in wave template you are mentioning like it is going to start at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
And it is going to move to picking, packing at 2 o'clock, and then 4 o'clock, and then 6 o'clock, and then 8 o'clock. So there will be round the clock, there will be some people working on the shift basis. So whenever they log in, based on their timing, they will be working on their templates.
Correct.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Because I thought the timing, how we are going to consume that particular time only for one template. If we are 101, we have one template. Only one template, we are going to complete entire process.
No.
For the whole day.
Not happen. Yes. Okay. That will not be the
For
case.
whole day till 8:20, we are going to utilize that, right? So that's why I thought, okay, let's ask this question.
Okay. No. So many people will be there. They are working on that. Okay.
Okay, fine. No.
Okay. Now we're going to create one inbound. Sorry. Yes.
If 10 people are working, then different 10 waves they are following, right?
No,
Maybe,
yeah, resources. It is depends upon the resources.
Yeah.
See, 10.
Maybe 10 resources, they are following 10 waves each with a different number. We can say wave 1 to 100 sometimes. 10 people,
Okay.
they can follow, right?
Yeah, like see, for particular person that may assign 10 waves automatically. Okay. He has to finish that, correct? No, but it will not be like that. We have created no wave, how much wave we want, we can able to achieve that. Okay, but it is completely depends upon the how many workers are there. Okay, let us consider only 10 workers are there. It is a very big warehouse. Okay, definitely for big warehouse only 10 workers will not be working. I'm just giving an example. Okay, So in that case, waves will be depend upon the root, product, and the activity area, like that I have said. Okay, based upon that, even it will going to filter out. Okay, so only these many materials should be there in particular wave. Let us consider like that. Okay, only 3 I have given in my wave template. Okay, so only 3 will going to fit for one particular template. Okay, if it is hundreds are coming, okay, let 10 people are there, 3 by 3, how many? Sorry, 10, no, 3 materials for 10 people. Okay, 30 only will going to get consumed. Okay, correct, no? Next 30, if it is there, then it has to move to these 10 people only. Again, they have to go and they have to pick, like that it should happen. Okay,
So in one wave, how many what we say, how many lines possible?
yeah, that is what I said. No, 3 I have given there. Okay, we'll see. Okay, how it will going to pick. Where I have given the 3, I'll just show you.
There is no limit, right, in one single wave.
No, limit is there, no भाई, limit हमने set कर दिया अभी.
Yeah, three का limit set कर दिया.
हाँ, set कर दिया ना सर, वैसे ही लेगा, correct ना?
वहाँ पर कुछ मैक्सिमम लिमिट्स कुछ दे सकते हैं. राइट नाउ वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड 3 से भाई, आई टोटली एग्री, बट वहाँ पर कुछ मैक्सिमम लिमिट वैसे 10, 15, 20.
हाँ, you can keep anything, no?
Okay.
Where is that limit? कहाँ set किया हमने?
But we have seen that limit.
No, we have to see it now again. Okay, so not this. 1 minute, we can see that. Okay, maintain capacity profile. No, this is capacity. No, capacity profile. Here is the capacity profile. Okay, here we have set.
Capacity
Okay.
profiles.
We have set it here. Okay, what is 1100? We have set it here. Okay, see, 3 I have set it.
Yeah.
Okay, maximum number of items I have set it here. Okay, so we are just bringing the products now. That is why I just set the maximum number of items. You can set the how many kgs also, you can set everything, you can able to set, but only here I am mentioning maximum number of items. Okay, so let us create one inbound delivery for us. Okay, sorry, outbound delivery. What I will say, /n VA01. Okay, outbound delivery I am creating. Order type OR, that is, sorry, OR, or else we will going to maintain with the reference only, with the reference. Okay, OR I have to take here with go back with reference. I have to give one reference order number 186. Let us consider. Copy. I don't know whether it is there or not. Okay, it is there. Okay, only one material is there, isn't that? Well, not fine. This is fine. 1100. I'll take match 2 also. Okay, and order quantity some 100 quantity I'm going to order. Okay, and I'm going to give plant okay, plant 1100 I'm going to provide. Okay, and click enter. I need to do so many things here. Okay, just I'm creating. Ender one I'm going to take 1100. Mat one only I'm going to consider. See, for mat one, 2 different line items are there here. Okay, 1100. I can take. Here again I have to put the plant somewhere else. Where is the plant? Okay, here. Plant, it is not taken 1100. Okay, now this PR00 I need to maintain some value. Okay, I'm going to maintain 10 USD here. 10 USD here. Okay, but go to the line item. We have to mention the shipping and the AFS storage location. This is important. Okay, click enter. Click enter. For the next, I have to mention the AFS. Then what else is remaining? I will going to see it in the delivery completion. Okay, completion log I have to check. Okay, some customer reference I have to complete this. Customer reference. Go back. Okay, some date also I'm going to provide. Go to edit in completion log. Okay, the document is completed. Okay, I'll just save this. I'm going to create one. Standard order has created, that is 202. Just go here /n EL01 and okay. If you go here, shipping point is 1100. Just click enter. Okay. Sorry, nothing is coming here. Not two. Okay. Check the notes in the log. Okay. It is nothing in this. Okay. Cell lines due to the delivery up to selected. Okay. No schedule lines. Okay. I'll go to the /n PA02 here. Enter. Okay. Double click on this. Go to schedule lines. Okay. Here schedule line is there. For others, I have to check. 2. Go to the schedule lines. It is also there. Go back. Third one. Schedule line, it is also there. This is a confirmed quantity. It is available. Just say this. /n PL01 and 10 schedule lines due to the delivery up to selected date. No schedule lines. Okay, selected date it is telling. Let us change the date only. All I have to take because German time no. So order cannot be delivered. So it is also not happening. I have to go back. Selection date. I'll take 14. The thing is coming. Okay, I'll just try to create one NO. Order type NO. Sales organization 1100 and 10 create customer first. Material 1100. That one. We take one quantity here. 0. Mat 2. One quantity 1100. That one quantity again. Go to the plant 1100. AFS. Yes. 1100. AFS I'm going to take.
But this has to pick automatically, right, Subhay?
नहीं ये तो ऑर्डर है ना ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं अभी हम
okay.
ओके जस्ट सेव दिस आउटबाउंड डिलीवरी जब आएगा तब ओके सी वी हैव गॉट द आउटबाउंड डिलीवरी नाउ ओके सो दिस इज द आउटबाउंड डिलीवरी कॉपी दिस गो टू द PRDO screen PRDO /n/SCWM/PRDO. Once you go there, execute this. Okay, you just go to the PPF action here, selecting this. See here, assign warehouse request to Wave. It is one thing is there. So whatever the warehouse request is there, no, we have to assign it to Wave. That is the first thing. Okay, where we can see this thing. Okay, if you go to the monitor, /n/SCWM/MOM. Okay, SAP execute. Okay, here documents in that wave. Go to the wave item. Okay, as of now, we don't have anything. Okay, you can view based upon the document number, product, everything is available. But as of now, I don't have anything, so just execute. So only one wave will be there in this. Okay, one wave. Why it is created one wave, and for only material 2 it is created? Why?
Because we have chosen for MAT2, right? Wave 2 wave creation.
No, we have choose for MAT1 also. Why MAT1 is not showing here? Because it is assigned to F210. This is coming through F210.
F210.
This is automatic one. Automatically created.
Another one is for 2010.
That is manual creation we have given. Correct, no?
Right.
So for this, if you are checking, okay, this is the wave which is there. In that, this is the order, and it has taken the order is automatically created. Why? Because this one we have taken already. Okay, this order is taken automatically because we have said automatic creation for this F210. That is why it is created. But for wave 1, for material 1, we have taken it manually, so that why it is not created. Okay, so here you can see the wave. Okay, if you go to the form view here, okay, if you go to the form view, you can observe everything. So various order creation rule, it will not be considering that. Okay, we are just taken the outbound. Q is there. Okay, activity area is there, and wave it has created 30,000. We have given the number ranges, so that is why it has taken. And wave type, what is the wave type it has taken? WT02. Correct, no? WT02 only we have provided for that. Remember? Right. Okay, so and it is giving all these things. And you may ask me, array, we have given so many what is that timings where they are appearing. Correct, no? You may ask that. So if you go the form view in the wave, okay, in the wave it will be having the data. Okay, what is the wave? Okay, when it is so what is the party entitled to dispose and ship to party, everything it is going to show. Okay, for that to see the timing and all, we need to go to the wave. That is one what is that T code is there, no? For that I have to go. Okay, I'll just go here. Okay, /n I'll take. Okay, here wave is there, no? Just go here. Okay, if you're just executing this wave for 1100, it will be taking 1100 only. Okay, so see, you can able to see the wave here. Correct, no? The same wave you can able to see. This is created automatically. So just go to the form view. You can see all the timings here. Cutoff date, cutoff release date, all these things you are seeing here. Correct, no? Any doubts here?
No.
Okay, so this is how.
See,
Yes.
here these many timings we have given. Can we drop something if not required?
That time you need to create the wave template for that, bro. Wave template किया तो ही आएगा वो, नहीं तो नहीं, ऐसा है.
Okay, I have another question. So right now we have already set off the cutoff time. But in case if there are some issues while performing the packing or picking, and if it is getting delayed, how we are going to manage wave?
Definitely it will move to the next day only.
Okay, so first wave, once it is generated, and if it is not getting completed on that wave.
No, wave one is only for picking. It is means once it is picking and packing, it is completed. Means you are telling that packing itself is not completing, correct, no?
Yeah, see,
okay.
Cutoff time is 8:45, and picking time is, let's assume 1 o'clock you have included.
Okay.
The picking has been completed.
Okay.
So now packing is there. Packing has to happen at 4 o'clock. Suppose there is a delay for some machineries, some issue over there, or some issue, whatever it can be.
Okay.
So it got delayed from 4 to 5 or 6. So now this wave will get complete at 8 o'clock, for example.
Okay.
So in this case, how we are going to manage this?
That will move to the next day only. The next day activity it will go to move.
Okay, so
It will
on the
be
same
in
day,
that
if there
particular
is
way
an
only.
issue,
Okay,
then
it will not going to
Ah.
change its wave. Wave will be same only, but it will going to trigger the whatever
again
the
by tomorrow.
wave completion will be there. No, that will be taken tomorrow. Date.
Okay, how can we identify the wave has started, the wave has completed? Do we have any specific indicator that this wave one we have started?
Once
and
you're
it
going
has
to complete, no.
completed
Once you're going to complete, then only the Veros task will going to generate. Or else no. Okay. Or else how it will going to generate? See, one wave I have said manual creation, right? So that manual creation wave you are not seeing it here. Okay, only you are
Right.
seeing the automatic wave creation only. Correct. So manual means we have to create on our own. Okay, how I am going to create? See here. See, it is only material 2 it is taking. You got it?
Yes, right.
Okay, material 1 it is not taken anything. Okay, in one particular wave I said 3 products are possible, means 3 items are possible. Here I have shown that. I remove that. Okay, anyway I am going to show it again. /n /scwm /str. Okay, img SAM action and warehouse management, goods issue, wave management, wave general settings, wave capacity settings. Okay, 1100. Here you can see maximum number of items I have given only 3. Okay, but 3 is more only. Okay, so here we have ordered only 2 line items, correct? No, so only 2 products are coming for the item 1, correct? So in that case, definitely all those things will be in the one wave only. Okay, in wave 1 only it should create. In wave particular number. Okay, so it is 30,000 means 30,001 it should create. Okay, I'll just say create new one. 30,001 it is coming. Just go to the form view. You need to give the template. What is the wave template we have provided for this? 101 we have given, correct? No, just click enter. So everything it will take automatically. C1 and this wave type, everything it is taken automatically. Just close the form view. Okay, now we want to assign. Okay, we want to assign some materials to this, correct? No, wave. How I am going to do? Just we have to go to the warehouse request here. Okay, open advanced search. I have to open my this one, no, product. Okay, my product is so many products will come. Okay, you just go based upon the sales order, that is better. Okay, we'll see. Product is what is that? 1100 mat 1. Okay, I'm just taking this one. Let us consider. Okay, I'm just taking this one. I'll say advanced search. Okay, see, these many different materials are coming. But what is my last one? Only this is my last one, correct? No, this is my last delivery. These are earlier ones. Okay.
Okay.
Just now I have created this delivery. No, see, this is my delivery for this. How many? Okay, if you go to the items here, you can see 1 and 10 and 30 are for the material 1. See, material 1, correct? No, and 20 is for material 2. That is how we have taken, correct? Getting the idea or not? See, in this delivery, outbound delivery, we have three line items.
Okay.
So line item 1 and 3 are for material 1. We have created this.
Yes.
See, what is the confusion? Tell me here.
No.
If there is no reply, then I'll get it like it is a confusion only, correct?
No,
See,
no.
10 and 30, we have created this. 20, we have created for a material 2. Okay. So, only I will consider these 2 things. I want to assign these 2 things to this particular wave. Let us consider. So, I have selected that wave and select these materials. Here, one assignment is there. See here. Assign. Just click assign. I have assigned these 2 things to the wave. Okay. Just save this. Now this is also created. Okay, if you just double click on this wave, okay, if you go in this, okay, you can see the what is that wave what we have created, and you can see what are the items are in this particular wave. Okay, these are the 2 items which are available in this wave. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, these are the different warehouse requests. Leave the warehouse request because we want to assign only 2 means it is coming. Okay, here 2 it is created. Let us consider now we are creating few more things we're going to create. Okay, at a time I'm going to create some 3 or 4 warehouse. What is that? Orders I'm going to sales order I'm going to create now. Okay, 2 or 3 sales orders I'm going to create, and we're going to see how that is going to get segregated in one particular template. Okay, now. So you got it? How the wave is creating and all?
Yeah.
Any doubts here?
Unless we are not performing, we will not be able to raise any doubts.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, let us consider now what I'll do. I am taking some outbound delivery. Let us take some outbound delivery, because if it is creating automatically, then it would have been better. Okay, I'll just consider everything. We have created for only one material, I think. Okay, anything
So,
we have created for 2 materials?
So now we have created the wave, but the completion, in the sense how we are going to complete it, you can take that example, same example.
Okay.
And you just show us how the process is getting completed.
No, wave is there. No, wave. If you release the wave, then what is that? 1 minute.
You are going to assign that material to that particular wave.
1 minute. Where is the wave? Okay, it is done. Okay. Wave item. Just execute. Yes. You can able to see 3 waves here. Okay, just click on this. Go here, and 1 minute. That is a warehouse order. You can able to see. Okay. See, warehouse orders are available here. Okay, 40202. Okay, this is one created for this. Whether we have released these waves or not. One minute, I'll go to the wave here again. /n /SCWM/wave. Okay, just execute. Okay, 2 waves are there, and these 2 items are there. We have to release this. Okay. Oh, error during the warehouse task creation. Wave 1. System could not determine this. Oh, correct. We have to change the, because we have maintained goods issue is there. No, that strategy we have maintained for replenishment. We have to change it. Okay, SAP EWM warehouse management. Okay, goods issue process strategies. Okay, determination I have to take. See the 2010 1100. The 2010 I have to give REM on. This F210 also I have to give REM2. It is already there. Okay, F210. See, this strategy we have done so many changes, so that is why it is taken something like this. Okay, so 2010 REM on, and this is REM2 we have taken. Okay, F210. Save it. Go back. Specify storage type search sequence for REM2 1100 REM2. Sorry, first REM1, right? For REM1, what are the different storage types we have assigned? Yeah, ST01, ST02, it is there. Okay. For REM2, it is already created the warehouse order for REM2. Okay, it is not an issue. For REM2, ST03 and ST02 is there. It has created the warehouse order also. It is picked. Okay, just go back. So now I'm going to close it. We have this one. Okay, so here I'm going to select this and say release. Okay, see, wave 2 warehouse tasks were created. Correct, no? Correct, Dinesh bhai. Understanding, no, this one? Okay, here two various tasks are created. अरे दोनों एक ही same open किया क्या मैंने? Okay, एक. Next we have to go to the this one. So if you refresh the screen, refresh this, you're going to see if you are double clicking on this, you're going to see one various task for this. If you double click on this, you're going to see one more various task for this. Okay, both things are same only because these two things are within this particular wave. Select all
10
of them.
and 30 is splitted and 20 is with a different wave.
Yes, 10 and 30 as in a different way. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what I'll say, I'll just say, see these various tasks are there. Okay. So you need to, okay. So I have to go here. Sorry. So these are the waves. Okay. In this first wave, let us consider this is the various order. Just create it from the back end. Okay. Completion from the back end. Okay. Complete kiya to this various task is get completed. Okay. So it is going to somewhere else. Okay. In this order, if you are going to see where it is moving at all. Okay. If you go here, see this is confirmed. See this is the various task. Okay. If you just open this, from here it is picking and all. You can able to see it here. Where is that? ST03 it is picking and outbound door it is going. Got it now, Dinesh?
Yeah.
Okay. So just go back. These two things also you need to make the same thing. Okay. Just select this. Okay. So in this also you have the various orders here. Okay. If you are just double click on the various order and just execute this, you will going to get all the various order whatever it is available for you. Only various orders will going to get. See this one, second one, I'm going to do the confirmation from the background. Confirmation from the background. So it is also confirmed. So whatever it is there, from here it is picking and all. You can able to see here only. I'll just show you. So various task is there now. Two various tasks were created. Where it is picking and all, you can see it here. See here. Okay, this is a source. ST01 se pick kar raha hai and it is moving to here. Okay. Any doubts here? That's it. Only wave it is. You have to release and you have to move. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. So now what I'll do, what I am doing is, okay, I'll just take this. What is that? Sales order. Okay, in this sales order, both the materials are there. That is why I'm just considering this. Okay. This is my, where is the sales order? Okay, reference documents I have to go. Okay, 188 is my sales order. Okay, copy it. I'm going to create /n PL VA 01 N PL 01 N. Okay, 188 I'm going to take. Something is issue here. Okay. So yellow I have to remove. Okay. Okay, now it is coming. I'll take one material. I want to add one more bit, so it will not going to happen. Okay. I'll just save this. Again, now see one order I have created 704, correct? I'm going to create one more order. Like that, I'm going to create a few orders here. Some 2-3 orders, let us consider. One I'll say, and that one I'm going to take, save it. 2 orders, okay? 2 items are there, correct? No? 2 items are there, correct? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो please ask me, okay?
नहीं.
So I'll say this is the 3rd order I have created, okay? And I'm going to create 4th order also. One material I'll take. Save it. 4 orders I have created means 4 mat 1 materials and 4 mat 2 materials. Is it clear? Correct? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will go to the wave. Okay. Now again I'm going to just execute this. Automatic wave creation is there. So here, see automatically how many waves are created? 4 waves are created for the 1 materials. This is for the mat 2.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are seeing here, this is the material which you can able to see is in this. Okay, this is the automatically it is created. Why it is created individually? Because we have not given the assign. Okay, whenever it is going to create, if you see assign, no, that will get, that time all they will going to get clubbed together and will going to give into one particular warehouse order. Oh, sorry, wave in one particular wave. See now manually if you can able to achieve that. Okay, for this what I'll give, I want to give the template is 101. I'll just click enter. Go to the item warehouse request. I'll go and I'll say open advanced search. Okay, I'll do mat1 advanced search, close advanced search. Sorry, close advanced search. See, these are the different things just now I have created. You can give all these assignments to a one wave. Okay, that can be possible. I have assigned everything in one wave. Okay, see if you go to the item types, see all these things are available. Okay, then if you are saying release this wave. Okay, the wave got released with the 4 warehouse tasks. Any doubts here? And you can able to achieve all these things with the warehouse order and you can proceed. Okay, here if you are refreshing, some more warehouse orders will come and you have to achieve this also. See, all these things are the warehouse orders. You can confirm it exactly at the background, confirm in the background, and you can proceed further. Okay, all these are completed. So this is how wave concept will going to work here. Okay, all these things are taken in the F210. Okay, now we're going to take that assignment. Okay, so while creation, what is that? Slash n. Okay, slash n slash scwm slash wave pmp. So this is a template I have created. I'll go here. Here I'm going to say assignment, save it. Okay, this time also I'm going to create few more waves. Okay, one material I'm going to take. Save. Another one I'm going to create. Save it. Another one I'm going to create. Save it. Okay, now I'll go to the wave template here. Okay, you can see around these many. I'll just execute it again until 306 you are saying. Only 307 is there now. Okay, only 307. You are not having so many waves here. In one wave only you can able to see 3 line items. Because I have said assignment. Here I have clicked on the assignment. Means what? Assignment, what I said assignment. Remember? Hello?
Yeah.
See, in this I said you can also assign delivery items to the wave following wave release until the wave cutoff time or the date. I have given one date. Until one date, whatever the waves you are generating, you can able to assign it into one particular wave only. Okay, like that I have given, so that whatever you are ordering in this particular day, everything will going to assign to this particular wave only. See, 3 line items are available in one particular wave. Any doubts here? See, these things you have to work out because see again, if you are refreshing the screen, definitely like here until the 208 you have created. Okay, orders are there. If you are just saying okay, you will going to come up with 3 different warehouse orders now. Okay, 3 different warehouse orders. Okay, so here in one wave, these are all in one wave only. Okay, these are achieved by only one wave. Getting the idea? Idea आ रहा है ना आपको? अजय, जय, दिनेश,
Yes.
Okay.
See, these new warehouse orders created means due to delay in time or something that will be created for next day or something, right?
Correct.
Right, na?
Uh-huh.
If you complete this today only, previous warehouse orders,
Okay.
then newly created orders get cancelled or what?
No. Why they're going to get cancelled?
No, this is start timing. You can see that is blank. End of
Yeah.
that screen.
Okay.
You can
See,
start
this is for the
timing
warehouse
blank.
order, bro. See,
Yes.
once I'm going to
Yeah.
confirm this. Once I'm going to confirm this in the background. Okay. Now you can see the start timing here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought previous orders will be confirmed, then it will
ये
be.
कंफर्म नहीं हुआ था ना, इसलिए वो नहीं दिखा रहा था आपको.
I thought same views we are following, and then how this is created means if previously created orders are not completed or confirmed, that's why new orders will be created because previous there is a delay in previous orders. That's why that will go for next wave or next day.
No, it will be stayed in the same wave only. Okay, it will not go to the next wave. But the thing is that whatever the next waves will be there, it will going to happen with this only. Okay, like that it will going to take care. But you will not going to achieve the these things in the next wave. It is not like that. Okay, no? So you just practice it. Okay, definitely at a single time you might be getting confused here. Okay, practice this thing. Yeah, whenever you are not getting, you can ask me. Okay, you have the
फिर भी
doubt.
आपने अच्छा समझाया है तो हो गया.
नहीं, पहले आप ये करो, फिर भी समझ में नहीं आ रहे तो पूछो मेरे को. ओके, नॉट एन इशू, बिकॉज सी आई एम आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस समवेयर एल्स यू आर स्ट्रक. ओके, कुछ तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, अगेन एंड अगेन क्या पूछ करके आपने छोड़ देते हो. वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
बाद में आता है practice करते.
If you are asking 10 times also, I am ready to explain that. Okay, but somewhere else you will also feel like अरे क्या बार बार पूछ रहे हैं हमने, ऐसा करके आप भी ऐसा समझ रहे तो ठीक है. You can, if you are getting doubts whenever you are practicing, that time you can ask me. Okay, anyway you have the videos, just go through that, and if you are not getting somewhere else, you please ask me. I will going to explain about that. Okay?
अजय को कुछ डाउट है क्या? अजय कुछ नहीं बोल रहे.
अजय को कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं, वो सो गए वापस.
साइलेंट हो गए अजय.
तो मुझे लग रहा है नींद लग गया है शायद.
हाँ, वो सोते ये क्या बोल रहा है.
म्यूट पे कभी नहीं होता है म्यूट. अजय उठ जाओ. अजय उठ जाओ. आवाज आ रही है ना आपको? मैं वही सोच